feels really weird not having the gazebo there. Hello, my lovelies. We're going to go feed my birds, but I'm going to take one of my new ones down with me. I'm taking the coconuts down. I'm going to try them with raisins to see if they like raisins, so when I make my own suet next week. Method in the madness. Don't you put. Don't you put. Oh my god, what have they done? Looks a bit like a disaster zone with everything falling off. Did literally knock everything off. Was it the wind? Was it the bird? Was it a plane? Oh, I do have my knickers on as well. Okay. I'm going to soak them and clean them out, ready for the new suet that I'm going to make. Oh, you want to see my knickers? Oh, yeah. My knickers. You see them now? So we'll put these here for a minute. Sun's come out. We've got a wedding. Hey baby. There she goes. Check and see if she can get in the house one. Hey beautiful. That's the baby from last year, I'm sure it is. There we go. He's in. Flyby to see who was by the house. I love it. So I've got plenty of ingredients to put inside my suet that I'm going to make. So hopefully. And I've got my mealworms now as well. And I'm going to see if they like raisins by putting the raisin one out. Seem to really like these peanuts. They do. If I had the space, I'd be buying another £18 one. And we're all more or less empty. That one's empty. That one's empty. A lot of peanuts to put out. A lot. Got it. Look at that. Gotta undo this one. Yeah, so what I'll do when I bring out my new easy peasy bird feeders is I'll take that one off back there and I'll put it on one of them. And hopefully it should do it. I think they broke this one. I need to get some new bird feeders. Squirrels have been at it again. Trying to break in. Trying to find an easy way. Itch. There's some little green bugs crawling on this. And they're not scared of my big fingers in there with them. That's heavy, that isn't it? I've got plenty of seed to mix in with the suet I'm going to make as well. And I really like this seed. Is that cat poop? It looks too big to be bird poop. It is, isn't it? Needs a bit around my table. Sunflower seeds. So when this bag of sunflower seeds done, I'm going to open up sunflower hearts then. Big bag of sunflower hearts that I've got. A mango citrus. Because I got that mango body spray, didn't I, from my body shop lady. I'm just wondering if I sprayed some around the houses, it might keep the cats away. Because they don't like citrus, it smells. That's why I'm asking you if it's citrus. I don't think it is it? Right then. New seed, new shell even. Into it. They're big shells as well. Oh, there's a Finchy already. Oh, the Finchy came already. So look, these are my new German coconuts. I got a lovely bunch of coconuts. Like raisins, and they'll eat that because I've got raisins on my Morrison's order to make my new suet with next week. So yeah, here we are. I think we definitely need to water the garden later, don't I? It's growing over there though, look, it's actually growing over in that corner. I'm so excited. Hello. So thank you for joining me and feeding my tweeters. I will gonna get some of that mango body spray and spray it, see if it is toxic to cats. Yes. Come back and join me, give me a like, give me a subscribe. Find me on my Twitter and Instagram at Adelesexyuk. Find me on my Facebook at official Adelesexyuk, and come and check out my OnlyFans, naughty, $10 and freebie. I love you all. We better get going because they're ready for their lunch. Goodbye.